Here we come to a second set of elevators at the Central Campus parking garage at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. These are same exact elevators like the first one that I just filmed. Same exact cab, same everything. ADA phone. Let's go up to 7. These are fast. All right, let's switch down on 1. Look how much wasted space on the call button. Or the call station, I meant to say. Caught it just in time. Oh, if you guys are wondering, same exact glass shaft view, but the elevator cab is not glass. That is just something. This elevator is a little bit darker, so I can get a good view of the floor indicator. Super fast for like only just 7 stories. These are your fixtures. ADA compliant phone. Same cab. And here we are. Unfortunately, this is a different floor because, see, this is a floor below. See, this is the second floor, which goes out to this way. And if you're wondering, the third floor, well, as you see right here, you have to go all the way up a ramp, and that is up to floor 3, and those are the other set of elevators that we just rode on my previous video. So I just don't want you guys to get confused. See, this is the second floor right here, and if you go up the ramp, it goes up 1 floor, which is the 3rd floor. So it just basically goes up like a hill. So anyways, I hope you guys understood. Thanks for watching, and that'll be it.